easier to find interesting stocks these days?
Oh, it's a lot harder, obviously. If you go back to kind of '08, '09, when everybody was scared, it was pretty easy. Today, obviously, the market's up quite a bit and makes it harder.
I know that you look at trends. I guess you're trying to capitalize on certain trends through your stock picks. One of those trends would be what's happening with oil and nat gas prices, which brings me to this stock, Kirby. I'm going to bet a lot of people might not have heard of this stock, so tell me a little bit about it and why you like it.
Probably not. So Kirby's the largest inland barge company in the U.S. They ship mostly petroleum up and down the Mississippi. So obviously, given what's gone on in natural gas prices, which is a feedstock for chemical companies, we have a lower cost of raw materials than the rest of the world. Volumes are up. It needs to be shipped, and guess what? Kirby is the logical player there.
Any real competition do they have?
No, they're about 10 times larger than their next largest competitor.
Another one you like is LKQ. Tell me about that one.
Yeah, LKQ is the largest owner of junkyards in the U.S. Not very sexy, not very cyclical either. So, a good example would be, my wife, who I love dearly, but she was going to Starbucks the other day, and the yellow concrete poles that kind of protect the building from people like my wife. She dinged one up and took out the quarter panel in the back of our Suburban, and guess what? You got to get it fixed, and Kirby's the person who would supply the materials to go in to fix
LKQ.
it. Oh, LKQ. I'm sorry.
I was so intrigued by this because I had no idea there was a corporate junkyard owner.
Well, you know what's funny?
I always feel like it's the local guy, on the corner. He's got hubcaps.
And it is. And what's happened is they've consolidated that business, and there is some economy of scale and a network effect. So if you think about it, if you own multiple locations, you have more parts. And the way a repair facility works is you have an insurance company that pays for the repair. So all the owner of the repair shop cares about is the churn of that bay, getting somebody in and out. So he has a choice. He can call multiple small mom and pop junkyards, or he can make one phone call to somebody like an LKQ that owns multiple facilities in multiple markets and can ship that product sometimes the same day, if not overnight.